In Tulsa, a semi loaded with scrap metal overturned on I-244 today.
Only on 6, video of that crash as it happened. News on 6's Emery Bryan was there and has the latest for us.
This truck was headed towards Tulsa with a tall load of scrap metal, including cars. On a slight curve where the road tilts right, the truck began to wobble, then tipped over, skidding across the lanes but not hitting any cars. The load spilled out, and when it stopped, the truck completely blocked the road. The driver was making what he said was a regular trip to Tulsa from Oklahoma City, hauling scrap metal for recycling. He was able to climb out of the truck on his own and said he wasn't hurt. The wreck blocked traffic during part of the cleanup until the truck could be pushed out of the way. The Highway Patrol sent a trooper to investigate what authorities said was a likely case of overloading. The pile of scrap metal included several cars which overtopped the body of the trailer. A cleanup like this is a big job and takes a while. The truck loaded with scrap metal had to be offloaded before it could be put back up on its wheels. The pile that was removed from the one truck filled a much larger truck used for the cleanup. 2 large wreckers were needed to flip the semi so it could be hauled away. Emergency workers at the scene said this curve is a frequent trouble spot for oversized and heavy loads in the eastbound lanes. In West Tulsa, Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's own News on 6.